Hola, me llamo Chris. This is day 19 of becoming Mexican. And today, bro, I decided, bro, it's a nice day outside. Why don't we try to buy tacos again? And this time, bro, we're gonna get the casino. And I'm gonna see y'all there. We're back at Chewy's Fiesta Taqueria. And we finna go get this Fiesta of flavors into my mouth with the Birria tacos. So I'm gonna see y'all. Peace. Gracias. Maybe it's slippery. If y'all see it, you Let me get some chips in there. Look at that. Bam. I ain't gonna go. I'm about to nut. I done at Chewy's Fiesta Taqueria, and bro, y'all can see, bro, that shit got all over me. That shit was so good, bro. I had a bunch of burst of flavors in my mouth, bro. Best flavors I ever tasted, bro. And I'm gonna see y'all.